Back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing Do Not Press the Button. So yeah, okay, I gotta press it, bro. Let me press the button, boy. Yo, I want to click it. Yes, sir. Victory. Oh, you a bomb, just like my head. Nice. And the Mario music. Hey, Mario. Oh, shoot. Gotta run. A coin. Oh, God. We gotta run. 54, 55 seconds into the video. Oh, no. Crap. Come on, I died. This is idiotic. Get me out of here. This way. Come on. Respawn me, Daddy. How long will it take? Just kill her already. Kill her. Just die if you're such a god at it. Wow, she's so bad. Ugh, she accepted it. I accidentally friended her, so I'm gonna unfriend her. Unfriend, yes. Oh, let's see, a diamond. Let's see. I'm just gonna go this way. I have no idea where I'm going, guys, but oh shoot. Wow, good job, loser. I pressed the button. Ooh, I scored, let's go. Yay. Give me my points. Ooh, get in the hole. Oh shoot, we gotta get in the hole. I think this is, no, it's not good. Hey, I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna press it. Oh God. I pushed it. I pushed it. Oh, yes, sir. Trampoline. Yay. I'm happy I pressed the button now. And I'm gonna jump on the button because I want to press it next. Yo, I think she thinks she's pressing it. You ain't pressing this button. My trampoline. Yo, let me push it. Run away, oh crap. Wow. First one to die. Wow. Okay, well, that thing ain't too beautiful. For me, this is so ugly, oh shoot. Get rid of it and push the button. Oh, bro, I push the button like every single time. Oh no, a boulder! Oh! Oh, I died. I died, guys. Crap, I gotta push it. She's gonna push it, I know it. You loser. Oh, the traffic light. Ooh, red light, green light. I did not move, I swear. You guys are terrible. You guys are terrible. Boo. I'm a fire in my laser. Nice. We don't care. a victory.
Now that's a victory royale.
Oh, what happens if I go in? All right. Ooh, not bad. Oh my God! That's weird. Get ready to push people off. Let's go. Yeah, you ain't. Hey, push. Don't push me. Yeah, I'm gonna push him off. Yep, that's what you get. Jump over the table, like. Kill him! Hey, we got him. Got him. Get someone off. Place it on her and get her. Why can't I move? All right, there we go. Oh God, green. Hey, you guys suck. Let me click it. There we go. Whoa, no, the platform. I got on it. Yes, sir. You guys are actually terrible at this. What? Gifts will start falling? Gifts? Yum! Yay, gifts! I want some gifts. Give me the gifts. Sir. Get me the gift. Get in the freaking thing. Get in the thing, you stupid gift. I don't really care about you being delivered. I just want to get points. I am Santa Claus. Da-da-da. Time is up. Oh, screw her. If you won, you're gay. Ooh, that's easy. Stop on yellow light. That's just smart. That's just dumb. God, someone died right in front of me. Bruh. There we go. At yellow light, stop. Ooh, yes. Yo! Don't take it. Yes! Hey, let's go! Bro, this reminds me of Squid Games. Bro, is she even going? No! Yep, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give us the cookie game next. Ah, let's go. But give us the cookie challenge next time. I clicked it. There we go. Oh, no. Where is she? And we are underground. Let's view avatar. Alright, it's a girl. She's a seeker, so we gotta run. Yo, I know that's not a girl. Let's just run all the way. Ooh, heard a noof near. I'll stay behind you. I may know where. Yo, stop following me. I'm just gonna ignore. You said KJ. Not me. Not me. I'm not KJ. Hey! But I didn't get followed. Oh, crap. I gotta push it. Yeah, I pushed it. Oh, God. It won't suck up the button, so let's get on. Oh, my gosh. It did suck the button up. Are you kidding me? I will get it before you. Oh, my God. She got it before me. Screw you. I will get the button. I will click it. No, you will not. You're my worst enemy. I'll get it. Click, 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 click. Here we go. Ooh, ho. You mean get ready to die because you all... Oh, my God. Wow. LOL, you guys are so bad. LOL, you guys are so bad. Wow, she's so good. You idiots.
That's a lot of damage.
Yep, it is. No.
Pizza!
Yes, pizza. Yes. What's the worst thing a ghost? Yes, I'm posting yes. A noob. Nice. A noob. Let's go, Candy. Thanks, noob. Shut up. Shut up. Oh no, not this one. Jump like a... Yes, sir. I am dodging this lag. Shoot. Behind this lag. Bruh, nobody's alive. Nobody's alive. What the hell? Nobody's oh, okay. I was gonna say nobody's alive. Let's just stop the freaking game. Wait, what? Oh, nice! I got a little picnic basket. Oh, ducks! Ducks! Gotta get him. Get some ducks. Get some ducks. I at least want one duck. Get me one. They're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. The cutest part is I can barely even see them. Oh my god, she got the duck. Really? Got it. I need to get it. I only got one. She got 0. I'm gonna get it. There we go. Mute music. Yeah, let's get all blue. Cover up all of the reds. They're gonna cover up the blue. We need a little bit more blue in your lives. Get more blue in your lives. I'm covering up with more red. Yay, Mario. Oh, red team won. Oh my god. Wow, I'm still. What? Where is this? Oh, the speedrun one, yes. Oh, what the freak? Yeah, let's just have this thing in our way. I love the thing in our way, actually. Stay in our way, please, thing. Actually, I hate obbies. Yeah, I actually love them. I should say if you completed the obby, you're gay. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna beat it. So that means I'm gay. Let's go. Let's go, gay people. Yes! I didn't beat it. That means I'm not gay. Let's go. If you beat the obby, you're... If you beat the obby, you're gay. Beat the obby, you're... If you beat the obby, you're gay. You're gay. Yeah, use the ray gun against me, loser. It doesn't work against pros, only noobs. So get over here, girl. I'm gonna shoot you. Shoot your butt. Good girl. I have Roblox unlike you, so get a life. Yeah, you seem scared. Haha, I won. Oh, yes, sir, I won. So easy. Yo, lead the way. Lead the way, girl. Just freaking go. Go. We don't have enough time left. Yes, there. Yes, all right. Somebody go. I'm not doing it. Ladies first. Ladies first. Really? Yo, just go on the right one. Get rid of settings. Yes. Hey. Can I get a hurry? Hey, let's get in. Ooh, I'm fat now, chubby boy. Let's see if you get in it twice. Let's get the diamond. Yes, sir. What? Why did settings come up? Whoa, we're in space. Ah! I want the coin. Yes, sir. Let's try and jump out of space. Oh. Oh no, no. Yo, this song is terrible. Let's go into other people's ways. Let's walk into her. Bro. Yes, sir, I won. Hey. And you guys get spawned right there, noobs. Oh, boulders. Oh, yes. I made it. Let's go. I want it, you little sucker. If you press the button too, then oh my god. I pressed it. Ooh, red light, green light again. Let's go. Reactor. Hey, I didn't die. Let's go. If you're alive, you're gay. If you're alive, you're gay. Hey! Somebody said, hey, I'm like, just being honest. Just being honest. Just being honest. And you're not even alive, so you don't even have to worry. And you're not alive, so you don't even have to worry. Dad? Is she calling me daddy? Shut. I'm gonna say shut the F up. Shut the F up. What the hell? I ain't accepting it. We're playing around, but no. A diamond. Wow. I think it's in here. I know it is. I know it's somewhere around here. I just don't know where in here. Right, these people are so stupid. I already checked in these spots. Yeah, I'm gonna check over here. Really? I'm getting it. I clicked it. Yes, sir. Speedrun. Yes, sir. Mario. Sorry. Gotta go fast. You're weak. Bruh. Can I get a Hoya? Pizza. Certified Hood Classic. 5 minutes of friends. Hola. Amigo. You suck. Get a life. Can I get a Hoya? Ooh. 1980. Yo, I know I'm gonna do it again. I'm a god. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Yeah, I got 20 coins. Let's go. I'm a god. And I pushed the button. I'm so good. You don't. Cake is a lie, but I didn't even die. Oh. Trivia. I'm a god at that. What is the most expensive? Ooh, I know. Let's check. Money bag. You chose, yes sir, I chose the right answer. Let's go. Skirgle, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Give me that balls. Give me those balls. Yeah, ball. I'm gonna kick it out. Yo, I want to get that goal. Nobody can get it when I'm on top of it. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Nobody. If I didn't score, then nobody scored. Mario! Hey, doggies! Pablo! I don't know why, but I'm just calling him dog. Pablo. Alright guys, I think we should end the video here. Make sure to smash like, subscribe, all that crap, and we'll see y'all in the next video.